All right, I wanted to make a quick video here and show you how to change the replaceable battery in these new tile finder devices that have come out in the last few months here of 2019. So this is on the left. This is the Tile Mate. This one's a little cheaper, a little smaller. You can see kind of the quarter for reference. And the right is the Tile Pro, and this one has a longer range. This one has a little shorter range. So let's look at the Mate first. So if you have the Tile Mate, you flip it over in the back, and you can see it's kind of some ridges here. It looks like you can slide that out. So if you just open that up, you can see the battery that you have inside is a CR1632. So it's a real small battery. So if you have like a real small screwdriver set or a paper clip, you can get in there and pop that battery out. So that's how you change that one. Put a new one in. When you put it in, just make sure the positive side, which is the side that's facing you, is towards you, and then go ahead and replace the backing there. All right, so that's how you change the Tile Mate. So for the Tile Pro, same thing, flip the tile over, and you can see there's kind of an outline here. And if you put some pressure down on that, it's quite a bit louder, you can remove this backing here and get access to the CR2032 battery. So it's got a little more capacity battery, same voltage, they're both 3-volt batteries, but this one's a little larger. And same thing, if you have a paper clip or a small flathead screwdriver here, you can then just pop this battery out. So when you grab a new one, just make sure and keep the lettering towards you, positive side towards you like that. And yeah, you can hear these things pretty good. And then just replace the backing. And that's it. So that's how you replace the battery in both the new Tile Mate and Tile Pro. So this is the Tile Mate and then the Tile Pro. And again, the battery that you need for the Tile Mate is a CR1632. And then the Tile Pro is a CR2032. And I'll put some links to both of those batteries here at the bottom of this video. Thanks.